Hello everybody, it's Rhonda. I'm back and I'm excited to come on here and to announce to you guys what my daily deal of my 12 deals of Christmas is today. We're on day 5. But before we do that, if you guys pop on here live on Facebook, make sure you throw me a hello. If you watch later, throw me a hashtag replay. Hey Audrey. If you watch on YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok, throw me a hello in the comments. If you like what you see, follow or subscribe. All right, so, excuse me, my daily deal for today, and of course all the deals can be, you can choose any of the deals that we have posted previous up until day 12. It doesn't have to be on the exact day. So today's deal though is $2 off any fruit tea or any bubbly tea. So we have a few different types of fruit tea. We've got our sangria mixes, we've got fruit tea, we've got magical fruit teas, and they're all amazing. If you haven't tried them, they are my family's probably favorite for the most part. I get my family drinking so much more fluids by making iced teas with them. They like get them hot sometimes in the cold weather. They also like sangria. Well, my adult family likes sangrias. They like spritzers instead of pop, things like that. Amazing, amazing, amazing. All right. Also our bubbly teas. So this is Sipology's version of bubble tea, and it's super healthy, especially compared to the calories and the sugar content found in bubble tea. So instead of tapioca pearls, Sipology uses basil seeds, which are packed with fiber and have tons of nutrients in them. As well, there's almost like a candied fruit, although there's not a lot of sugar in this. And the one I'm holding, peaches and cream flavor, there is only 7 grams of sugar compared to, I can't remember how many is in the regular, but it is a lot. But anyway, and only 50 to 70 calories in these drinks. So super delicious and way more healthy. Hey Sherry, and a lot of fun as well. But I dare you to try one of these things and let me know what you feel. Mango is our family favorite. We also like the Orangeberry Tango, but they're all good. All right, so now to get to our demo. So I'm doing a demo either on a reel or live every day for 24 days while we're doing this 24 steeps. And today's demo, we're using an Oolong tea, and it is buttered maple rum, and it has pineapple pieces, cane sugar, citric acid, sugar, which is maple sugar, cinnamon chips, goji berries, cloves, nutmegs, pink peppercorns, vanilla bean, and natural flavors. And of course, everything with Sipology is all natural. So I'm excited to make this demo for you guys. So I'm going to make this a cocktail actually. So I have some water that I almost brought to a boil, and I have, I'm just going to use the rest of this cup because I'm making 2. So I'm making one for my hubby. So I'm just going to pour it right in there, but I would use about 3 teaspoons of this tea to make this drink because it's a larger cup. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour some water in about 3/4 full, and it's hot water. And then I'm going to, of course, time it because we want to make sure that we time our teas. I know a lot of you probably already have heard me say this a million times, but you want to time your teas because if you don't, often your teas will become bitter. Anything caffeinated can become bitter if you steep it too long. So you want to make sure you read the labels on your teas and find out how much that time is. And in this 24 steeps, it will show you how long to time, as well as how many times you can steep your teas. And that's another reason when you're drinking quality tea leaves, you can often multi-steep your teas, and you're getting way more money for, for what you're paying for. you're stretching your dollar a lot better. And because it's quality teas, you know, this tea, for example, can be steeped, is it 3 times? I think it's 3 times. 3 times. So I'm going to make sure I keep this steeping fat, and I'm going to steep this again a little bit later. Sorry, I was just checking my time. But yeah, so you don't want to have your teas become bitter. So the rooibos teas and the fruit teas, of course, it's not as important. But rooibos teas can become stronger tasting. So I do time those teas as well. But fruit teas, usually fruit teas, the longer you steep, the better flavor, in my opinion. Okay, so while I wait, I'm going to make a froth. So I'm going to make a matcha froth. So with our milk frothers, they froth amazing. Better than the electric ones, in my opinion. I put 2 to 3 finger length worth of dairy or dairy substitute. For the substitutes, oat milk froth's the best and dairy froth's the least. For me right now, I'm going to add some cinnamon matcha to this froth because I love my matcha. It's packed with antioxidants, like the amount of 60 cups of spinach in 1 serving. That's pretty amazing. That's half a teaspoon. One of our matcha bags, like this, is 60 to 100 servings. You get a lot of teas out of our matchas, and they're so delicious. I never used to like matcha before I tried Sipology's, and now I love it. I have to have it. Makes me more alert, calms my mood, gives you like a sustained energy release over 4 to 6 hours instead of coffee, which I do like coffee, but coffee will give you energy boost for 1 to 2 hours, and then you come crashing down. And I don't like that, so I do like to drink matcha mostly. But there's lots of ways you can enjoy your matcha as well. Okay, I can feel the resistance. You usually pump it about 20 to 30 times. I'm just gonna let that sit for a minute. Or not quite a minute, but a few seconds. And that just helps make the froth a little bit firm, and so it won't fall flat as soon as you are pour it into your cup. All right, so I'm going to do the other part of this drink. Perfect time. Okay, so I'm just going to squeeze that tea bag out so we get all the flavor we can, and put it off to the side. And I'm going to grab a shot glass. And look at this. Look at this cool rum container. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour 1 shot of rum into my tea, my hot tea. And this, I have not made this recipe before, so I hope it is delicious. I think it will be. I'm just going to give that a little stir. And I am going to push back some of the froth, and I'm just going to get some liquid and pour that in there. And then I'm going to scoop that froth on top. Oop. And I'm going to, well, this cup, I didn't think this through, but I wanted to put a cinnamon stick in there, but this cup is too tall. It would work great with our glitter cups, but I would serve it with a cinnamon stick, and you could even drizzle it with some caramel. For me, I do low sugar. I like Chalk Zero, low sugar caramel sauce to drizzle on top. Give it some extra yumminess, and I'm gonna try this and see. Look at, I'm making a mess though. Delicious. It is so good. Definitely a winner. I will definitely make that again. Anyways, that's all I really have to say. Hey, Calvin. That's all I really have to say, you guys. I hope you have an amazing day. If you are interested in purchasing the 24 steeps, that is also still for sale, so just let me know. I will probably throw a shopping link in the comments in a few minutes. And if you want to use that, you can. If you want to place an order, you can just let me know as well. And of course, these daily deals that I'm giving are from me to you, not through Sipology. So if there's a discount, then I would e-transfer that savings to you. And if it's a free gift, then I will be mailing that myself to you. It won't come in your order. Okay, have a nice night, everybody. Take care. Bye-bye.